Hi friends, we're going to use our math journal again today. And now, I have yesterday's math journal page. I'm going to turn my paper so I have a blank page. And I'm going to use my number poem. So my poem says, go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Let's go over that again. Go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. All right, friends, now I'm going to glue my 1 poem down into my math journal. So remember, just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to go around the corners, and I'm going to really press my poem down to make sure it's in there. Now, let's look at the different ways that we can make a 1. So I can write the number 1. So I'm going to say my poem. Go straight down, and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Go ahead and take the time to make your 1, and I'll say the poem while you're doing it. Go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Now, we can also write the number word 1. O-N-E-1. Now you take the time to write your number word 1. O-N-E-1. Now, we're going to show another way to make a 1. I'm going to draw 1 black circle. Go ahead and draw your 1 black circle. Now we can also show the number 1 with a tally mark. So a tally mark actually looks just like a 1. It's a straight line down, watch. That's a tally mark. So I have the number 1, the number word 1. I have 1 black dot and 1 tally mark. Now, I also want you to either glue down or find something that you can stick in here that's just 1. I'm going to put 1 sticker. So I have 1 sticker. All right, friends. You can use a sticker, or if you want to find an object that you can cut out and glue, you can do that as well. So again, I have the number 1, the number 1 word, 1 dot, 1 tally mark, and 1 sticker. Okay, friends, now if you didn't do the activity with me, you can go back and rewatch the video and do it, or if you can remember everything, you can do it on your own.